Your EXTREMEtenna includes the antenna, 2 U-bolt with nest assemblies, and an instruction manual. You'll only need one tool, an 11mm wrench. Step 1. Loosen all 8 butterfly bolts. Fold out the 2 front sections of the antenna. Make sure that the front sections are straight and parallel with respect to the reflector grid. Then securely retighten all 8 butterfly bolts. Step 2. Attach the mounting hardware to the antenna frame as shown. Step 3. Fit your antenna mast through the U-bolts and then use an 11mm wrench to securely tighten the nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master EXTREMEtenna. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.